Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. Happy 4th to everybody. I don't know if everybody celebrate the 4th. We pretty much celebrate just because of family, and we like to shoot fireworks, y'all. So it is what it is. But I've been up, I've been cleaning. Hubby has the fire going. I'm about to make devil eggs, which I don't say devil eggs around here. We say angel eggs. Okay, so that's what we call them. So I'm going to make these, and I have to blow dry Nia's hair. I bought her, yeah, my baby looks so cute, but she could not even fit the shorts. Okay, so I have to run to Walmart, and I don't want to run to Walmart. I'm going to run to Walmart to try to take her shorts back, and hopefully they have another size for her. Your hair is so cute, Nia. Y'all look at my baby. Nia. But anyway, the boys are in there playing. I said, Paul, I'm going to take these shorts back, and we're going to do your hair, okay? I love her hair, yeah. She has my hair, but I love her hair. But the kids have to get ready. I have to get ready. But that won't be until like a little later, yeah. But let me get started, and I'm going to keep the camera rolling, y'all. I'm going to keep it rolling. Okay, maybe not. I'm going to come in. I'm going to come in and out. Yeah, I am currently twisting Delia's hair up. Nothing too fancy because I got a lot more stuff to do. I finished my angel eggs. La has herself together. Mama tidy up the girls' room, and then the boys should be getting ready too. Nope, Devin, you got to get yourself together. Go put them on the bed. Dad finna cut your hair. What?
Or this curl.
Yeah, not gonna lie. Let me see.
Okay, you don't gotta show
Oh, La, look at La, yeah.
You guys just...
So the macaroni and cheese is done. Potatoes that my husband grilled on the grill, and then our corn is cooking. So basically, only thing I have to do is my baked beans. My angel eggs are in here, like I told you, but we also bought the kids some cupcakes. This is mommy's drink right here, y'all. And over here, we have plenty of drinks in here. So what, Nan? Let them see your hair, fool. Oh, Nan looks so cute. Look at my back. I'm bloated. Couple of things I got right here, yeah. Now we right here just looking at the headbands. What? Yeah, so we just left Walmart, and guess what I got? I got me a apple pie Kit Kat.
I'm gonna try it.
You gonna try it now? Let's try it now. We're gonna try it now, yeah.
It's hot.
It is hot. And then you got some air back there?
I got it.
Huh?
I want to tell them what I got.
Oh, you want to tell them? I want to tell y'all what she got, so y'all heard.
Oh, I didn't know what
It smells. Oh, it smells good. Don't eat it yet, La.
Ew. Why you gonna tell me?
Come on, go.
This tastes like banana pudding for the first bite. It's a banana.
You like it?
I like a banana.
You don't like it? I like it.
A little bit. Let me get to the end.
I like it. You ate it all? Where's that, Devin? Oh.
Well, look, do mine.
Do it, Devin. What happened? You hurt yourself?
Yeah, I'm not so good.
Okay, you gotta be careful. Come on, Devin. Ooh. So yeah, we gonna go get the big kids some more stuff that they can
you recording again.
It says you gonna do all that stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna put them out there. Put y'all seatbelt on, please. Oh, we. So yeah, this is the only thing that they had there that was big. They were sold out, y'all. Like seriously, they were sold out. But we got some more, and we have another bag back there. I know not to go to the fireworks place on the day of 4th of July. I can't believe they were sold out like that. I thought that They was gonna at least have a decent amount, but so this the second tent we went to, so it's crazy.
Dad, I want to do one. I want to do one.
Oh, that's about to do it.
No.
Point it up over there.
And he got a whole pack of them.
I don't.
Shady said.
Where Devin?
Shady finna jump.
Where Devin? Oh, come here, DJ.
It's not going there.
Not over here, DJ. Not.
There we go. Okay. 4th of July.
You supposed to wave it like a.
You're
Right.
supposed to fight though.
No, you don't. Right, DJ.
I want to do one. Oh.
Move, DJ. That way.
over here.
Go over there. Go over there.
Dave. He's out. Hold it up.
He's so scary.
Okay, go nuts.
You study back up from what? Shady got
Big kids, Devin.
Oh, this way.
Yeah, but that's for the big kids.
Alright, David.
DJ, what are you doing?
Wait. Look at the light.
Look at her.
Look at it.
Babe, do it. Help her. Don't take. David, don't take it. David, don't take it.
Sit down.
She's scared. Oh, my baby know how to play. She got it now. She only shaking.
Shady.
There you go, hold up.
There you go, Nia. There you go, Nia. Oh. There you go, Nia.
Stop, Shady.
Wait till Leah, don't do it yet.
Whoa. Move, now, move.
Yeah, I
There
need
you
one.
go.
Devin's gonna run.
How you can use my little butt can't fit anything. Let me sit down.
Here, come on.
Yay!
Okay, you want to light it? Hold on, let me.
Once you go down.
Okay, come on. Come and light it for him. Not, don't throw the box right there.
Sit. That move.
Devin, look.
Don't point it over there.
Right. Hurry up, David.
Let's take off.
Look, Devin.
It's a little bitty one.
Good boy.
He has a long flight.
Oh. Devin, move back. Move back, Pope. Oh. I ain't know if it's gonna do that.
Let's keep coming back. Hold on, Bob. Dave, put it out there.
He's so lightning.
Daddy, you can't move it. It's already popping. Uh-oh, he burned himself.
David, really? And you go over there.
You put that on the branches.
Right.
You took that branch. You took that tree.
No, I need that. What you need, Paul?
Come on, Daddy. Come on, Daddy.
Yeah, we are almost out. There you go, Devin. Ooh! Look, Devin, look. Whoa! Look, Devin. Look, Devin. Look. That was nice. Look, Gabby. Yay, baby.
No.
I'm glad you got that. Oh! They did that 3 times. Like you so like told me it's a light day. I think he heard you. So yeah, this is the last thing that we're about to light. And it's called the Blink Lane. This has 36 shots. And my phone is about to go dead.
It's only 25, I think. 6? Yes. Stop!
Y'all better come on. Come here, Shady.
Ma, it's not focusing.